Hi, I'm here with one of our current students, Mark. Welcome, Mark.
Hi.
And Mark's been doing some amazing things. So I wanted to just talk to you more about the website, a couple of websites you've bought just recently and what's happened with them.
Yep.
So the first one, which we're really excited about, I think you bought, when did you buy this one?
So I bought the first site in July last year.
Yep, 2019. Yep.
2019.
And we had a call about that, didn't we? Because it needed renovation.
That's right. So I bought the site. It was a good site, and I could see some quick wins in terms of reno. But I had a call with you, and you gave me some tips about how to really expand it, particularly about the layout of the front page and making it look visually better and getting content on there. And it really sort of sparked my motivation to really expand the site.
Yeah,
so, yep.
and good on you. You took action. So this is a site that makes money out of an affiliate program. So you don't have to handle any stock or anything like that, do you?
Very,
Even though
very easy.
It sells product, but you don't have to handle any of it.
That's right. Yep.
And so what happened over Christmas? Because that's a good time for these kind of businesses.
Yeah, so I knew it's a seasonal niche, and so we were expecting a bit of a bump up at Christmas time, but we really saw the content pay off because we bought the site for $6,000 US in July.
And what was it making then?
It was sort of averaging 100 to 200 a month, and with a bit of a spike at Christmas. But then December of 2019, it made over 6,000 in the month. So more than paid for itself in 1 month. So we had some quiet celebrations, and I'm very happy with that.
That is fantastic. What a cool return on investment.
Yeah, very happy.
All right, so paid that one off. So that's 6,000
Yep.
back into the marketplace.
That's right.
Yeah, but you bought another one as well, didn't you?
Yeah, we had a very busy time in July. We bought another site around then, an Australian-based site, and so these numbers are in Australian dollars. So we bought that one for 18,000 Australian.
Yep. And what was that doing? That was making about.
So it was making just shy of 1,000 a month. So we got that for a good multiple.
Yep.
And our main aim was actually to make it more passive in terms of income and to look for other ways to monetize it.
Yeah, which you have done. And so now that site has a whole new monetization on there.
That's right. Yeah.
And so what's that done for the income over
It's really skyrocketed. and I have to keep on checking, regularly because it's going up so sort of fast. But so it was making less than 1,000, and now I think our most recent month was about 3,500. So really happy with that too.
Yeah. So again, return on investment.
Yep.
Fantastic.
Yep.
So just to give you a bit of background, so is your background IT or technical, or what got you into this?
No, so I came in, I guess I have some technical skills. I'm a scientist by training, but I was definitely not a web developer or IT person. And so I came into this needing some support in terms of that. And certainly very, very green in terms of earning money online. Basically, no skills there.
Yep. And so the program kind of guided you through step by step on that.
Yep.
And you did that on the Digital Profits program, didn't you?
Yeah, started with the Digital Profits.
Yeah. And fantastic. So what's the goal from here? What are you going to do?
Yeah, well, the thing is, there's so many opportunities. It's like a kid in a candy store. So what I really want to do is the first site that really went gangbusters at Christmas time, really want to expand that and just see how big can this get. So if Christmas last year was that big, what can we make Christmas this year?
And actually, just here at the boot camp now, we heard from Thomas Smale about a site that was bought for $20,000, and so fairly similar site that he just sold for $15 million. So I think you've been a bit inspired by that.
Yeah, definitely. 15 million, very happy with.
Even that?
Half that, that's fine. So.
Cool. Well, congratulations, Mark. You're doing amazing, and well done. Good luck for the future.
Oh, thanks for your help.
You're going to do amazing things.
Okay, thanks, Liz.
No worries.